Good morning, student. Now we will learn about how to apply mathematical functions in Excel. Then use of different MS functions like round down, round up, ceiling, floor, then integer, mod, square root, absolute. Okay. Uh, First enter the data as per given sheet. That is A is represents student's name. B, C, D, E, F represents marks obtained by corresponding students, and G2O represents different mathematical and statistical functions. After that, we will learn about statistical functions. First, these are the mathematical functions. First, we will learn and first enter data, then select entire data, make it all border. Row 2 represents heading, therefore click on blue. You can change color. So we can change color. You can use more color. Okay. Now here again, please click on double boundary between A and B, or you can sit, or you can use word wrap, that text. Okay. Make in proper format. Adjust column width. Okay. Around edge, round down. Just double click on the boundary. Okay. Yes. Now we will arrange at center. Just click on center. Therefore, here you can change also font. Suppose if you want Times New Roman, click on Times New Roman. 12 font. Okay. Then now see, next procedure is click on G3. G3. Click on G3. J represents round, therefore just equal to sign, write ROUND round. Therefore, system will automatically display inbuilt function round. In bracket, our aim is to find out round of suppose marks 1. Therefore, marks 1 is what? B3, comma, suppose 0. Therefore, here this number, this function will round the number nearest to the integer. Just press in. See, 78.56 and you will get 79. Okay, means here 78.56 is near this number, integer number is 79. Therefore, similarly, we will find out 65.72, 88.91 like this. Just select G3 and double click on that. You will get in a round of marks 1. Okay. Now we will use round down. Generally, round down function will round the number downward direction. Now see, round down. Double click on that. We will use only for marks 1. Again, equal to round down. Select second time, round down. Again, comma 0. Just press click, see. 78. See, 78.56. General round down is always less than your initial data. For round generally is more than your data. See 65. 65.72. 65 is less than 65.72. Round down. downward direction. Here 88, 88.91 is here 88 is less than 88.91. See, in round down, your data is always less than your initial uh, your initial data. Then round up again, ROUND, round up. In a round up, uh, this function will round the number in upward direction. Again, wait, comma 0. See, again 17. In round up, generally you will get the answer is always more than your initial data. Okay? See, 94 is more than 93.78. 60 is more than 59 point, means round up, in round up, you will get answer always more or upward direction. Next is ceiling. In ceilings, uh, this function rounds the number up to the nearest specified multiple. Means what? Suppose I will write equal to ceiling, ceiling, comma 1. You will see what is the answer. Say 79. Just double click, you will get 66. Is see the formula is comma 1 means multiple of 1. Understood here all? Multiple and always more than. 66 is more than 65. 89 is more than 88.99. 92 is more than 9. Always generally more than your number. You will suppose 66 comma 5. So you will get the multiple of 5. See, all these number you will get the multiple of 5. See the formula. Suppose comma 2. So you will get the number which is more than your data but multiple of 2. Like this. See 74 is more than 72.38. Nearest multiple of 2. See, multiple is what? 2. Therefore, 70 in for this data 72.38, the nearest multiple of 2 is 74. Okay, like this. For 94, see, answer is 94. For 93.78, the nearest number of multiple of this is 94. Then floor. Generally, floor round downs the nearest specified multiple. Floor, F, L, O, floor. Generally, round downs. Ceiling in upward direction, round floor in downward direction. P2, comma 1. C is multiple of C 1, comma 1. Therefore, you will get the multiple of again. Means floor generally round down. Ceiling gives a number up to the nearest specified multiple. Then integer. Integer gives only returns the integer quotient equal to IN integer int in bracket way to just click 78. See, means out of 70.56 only take integer part. See, for 93.78 integer is 93. For 72.38 integer is 72. For 88.91 integer is 88. Okay, integer means number without decimal point. बाद में MOD stands for module. Okay, and which gives returns the remainder, only remainder, and formula is equal to mod. Say the syntax is number comma division. Suppose number is here 78.56 and here we will write integer is suppose 5. Therefore, mod gives only remainder. Mod gives only, or suppose here I will take only integer part. Therefore, L C 78 by 3. See here, I will write 78 by 5 is equal to, see, 15 fives are 75, perfect multiple 75, and 75, 78 minus 75 is 3. See, here mod is 0, remainder is 0. 65 by 5, you will get, see, 65 by 5, here I will write, is equal to 13. Means there is perfect division, therefore 65 is perfectly divisible by 5. Quotient is 13, and therefore the remainder is what? 0. There is no any remainder. Here we will write 88. 88 by 5 is 17 is your quotient. Here I will write quotient. Quotient is 78. 17 is quotient, and therefore here I will write C, dear student, 5 into 17 is equal to 85, and therefore remainder is 88 minus 85. See, 3. Therefore your answer is 3. Therefore 72. Suppose here I will 72. For 72, here dear student, for 72, quotient is 14. 14 into 5, that is 72. Therefore quotient is 14, and therefore here I will write remainder equal to 72 minus, in bracket, 5 into 5 into 14. 5 into 14, or in C. Remainder is. Therefore answer is 2. Suppose next is 91. Therefore 91 divided by 5 is 18. Therefore here write 18. Therefore remainder is 1. Remainder. Okay. So mod gives remainder. Next is square root. Therefore equal to SQRT of, suppose, if you want to find for B3, that is equal to, you will get the square root. First number is 8.86340 second. But if you want only one digit after decimal point, so select entire data, click on format cell. In format cell, click on number and take decimal places 1. You will get. This is the formatting option. Then for absolute. For absolute, equal to AB is absolute of, suppose, this. For absolute means you will get only positive numbers. Center. Okay. This is about the absolutes. Similarly, you can find out the addition sum. Okay, we will take sum SUM. Sum is equal to SUM of, what is the B3? B3 colon F3. Okay, bracket complete. See the sum. Again, all borders, center alignment. Again, if you want only one digit after decimal point, format cell, number, and make it 1. Okay, and this is about the mathematical function, use of mathematical function. Now we will use statistical functions like max, minimum, count, average. Okay. Now we will take statistical functions for given data. Okay. Now see, I will take same data. only up to this part. Copy. Copy. Paste special use values. Okay. Here we will find out the maximum number, minimum number, and average. Okay. Then again select data range, all borders, use Times New Roman. This is heading, make it bold. You can change color. Okay. Now maximum means maximum value of from this data. Minimum means minimum of this data. And we will take average. Maximum here in this case for Nicola, marks obtained by Nicola for first, second, third, and fourth paper are about 78.56. Okay. Dear to all, we will take as your number without decimal point. Okay, like this. Then here in this case, maximum value is 91 and minimum value is 68. But if you have large data, then we should use uh, MS Excel functions. Therefore, if you want to find out the maximum value from this data, therefore use double click, use only type maximum, and here data B16 colon F16 C90. So here you will get 85, here you will get 94, here you will get 86, 94, 77, 19, 92. Here you will get 68 and here you will get 96. But using Excel function within short span of time you can find. Just select 91 or G16 and just double click. See. Similarly, minimum. Just double click, you will get here minimum. Again, format this number without decimal point. Okay. Here, this column represents minimum of your data. Then average, just click EV. See the second row, say average. Average of what? All these. See the here is the average. Okay. And just you will get the max, minimum, average, and this is about the statistical functions. Okay. Can change color also. And it's about again, if you want to rename sheet number 2, like mathematical and statistical functions. Okay, and this is about use of mathematical and statistical functions in MX Excel. In this, we use round, round down, round up, ceiling, floor, integer, mod, square root, absolute sum, mathematical functions, and statistical function, max, minimum, uh, average, count. You can use that also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye, Vincent.